Hello Amazonians.
Hello.
Welcome to Amazon Fulfillment Center Bangalore 8, PLR 8. Today I'll take you to a tour and will show you all the processes in a fulfillment center, which will also help you understand how whatever actions you take, whatever decisions you make in a corporate world translate into fulfillment center operations. This is where all the products come inside our building, and this is where our operations start. So we call this area the inbound dock door, where all the products first enter the building.
So I'm part of the team which onboards seller. So just curious to know that when these sellers, what they want to sell on Amazon India, how do the products finally get live for customers to purchase from?
We have a scanning process. As you can see, each and every shipment that is coming to our building is getting scanned. Then we have a quality check process. So we do a 6-sided check and make sure that the items are in proper condition, they are not damaged. And then we have a receive process.
There's so many processes involved for making that one product and the right product reach the right customer.
I'm from Amazon.in payments team. My team makes sure the buying is seamless for customer. So once order is placed, how FC ensures that the right product gets picked up?
When an order is placed and the order is assigned to this particular fulfillment center, the system generates a pick task and it assigns the pick task to different pickers. I have a handheld device, right? That will come to my handheld device, which will show me the exact location of the bin where I need to come and scan the bin, and then I will have to choose the right product. And while choosing the right product, I will also ensure, because the bin will have multiple items, I'll ensure that I pick the right product, I scan the product, and thus the system ensures that whatever you ordered, the right product, I have found it and I have picked it.
Our job is done when we create a software, when we deploy it and it's done. But here the actual process starts. It's not the end, it's the start.
Here the totes come to this sortation area, they get sorted into orders, and then they go to the pack station, where one sorted order basically means one customer has ordered all those units and they have to be packed together.
How do the teams at the pack stations ensure that the packaging resources are not wasted?
We know very precisely the dimension and the weight of the items which are getting picked, and when they come to the pack station, we know two things: what is the optimal size of the packaging and what is the right type of packaging. Should it be corrugate, should it be paper, should it be reusable plastic? And that's how we ensure that packaging material is not wasted at all.
I have the wow factor while entering the FC. There's something new I'm going to learn today.
Hey Shankar, I'm from the International Machine Learning team. I'm aware of multiple initiatives that my team has worked on that can impact FC operations. Can you throw some light on some of these processes or any other process, right, where tech plays a major role within FC operations?
Tech plays the role of a big enabler in FC. These take care of the processes which we discussed, like receive, store, pick, pack, sortation. So each of these steps which you have seen are backed by technology, and these are a set of standardized tools which are operating similarly across the world. There are certain machines which are automated in a FC like BLR8. So these automations, like the conveyors and the totes moving around, these are not similar across all the buildings, but some of the buildings have these machinery automations as well.
The experience itself was totally amazing. So while I knew, right, there were many steps in an FC, you actually need to visit it to appreciate the different processes.
Shankar, so I'm part of the Alexa devices team, and we are right now preparing for Prime Day. So during Prime Day, there will be so many orders coming in. How do we make sure that the right product reaches the customer?
Great. So we have a process, actually the next process after pack, which we call as SLAM, which just does that. Our system knows, based on the item and the type of the packaging, what the weight should be within a tolerance limit. Based on that, if there is a match, we understand that the right product is within the package, and then you get this SLAM label printed where all the customer details are there, based on which our transportation system will take this package from the FC to the customer's doorstep.
I think day-to-day work is very different, but I think objective is the same: customer delight.
I'm Varun from the IN supply chain team. So help us understand what happens after the slam is done. How does the package eventually reach the customer?
During slamming process, the right customer coordinates are captured in that label which gets pasted on the shipment, right? Based on that same label, this is where the customer orders or the shipments get sorted based on their destination. This is the last part of a fulfillment center operations, but the overall journey of a package or a shipment does not end here, right? Depending on how far the customer is, we either connect it to a middle mile if the customer is in a different city, or if it is in the same city, we connect it to the last mile. So that's the entire supply chain or the entire path which a shipment takes from the fulfillment center to the customer's doorstep.
When you're standing in an FC and when you're looking end to end, it's like, whoa, this is big, man. This is Amazon India.
What you just saw happens in our fulfillment centers across the country every single day. Our managers and associates work tirelessly to deliver to the high performance bar our customers expect from us. But the excitement is just building up. We're getting ready to celebrate Prime Day soon, and we're going to welcome thousands of more associates in our network across the country so that we can deliver for our Prime customers on the big weekend. Outside the fulfillment centers, we are gearing up in building our transportation capacity. Just a fun fact, every single flight that you take over the Prime Day weekend will have Amazon packages riding along with you. If you were going by train, every single train also has Amazon packages riding along with you. This, of course, is in addition to the freighter network that we have of aircrafts delivering Prime orders at a super fast speed across the country. We deliver to the high rises of Bombay, to the beaches of Havelock Islands in Andaman. Every single postcode in India is something that our transportation network covers. We're just so excited about Prime Day. Thank you so much for watching, and do shop on Prime Day.